Hello, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time of joining me in this channel, please, I want you to hit the subscribe button. This channel is an educative channel that gives lectures and tutorials on various topics and courses that borders on accounting, taxation, computer software, accounting software, analytical software, and management information system, and so on. Today, we are going to be looking at a topic under management information system titled information system. So, we begin this lecture by looking at the objectives that we hope to achieve at the end of this lecture. So, at the end of this lesson, we should be able to explain the meaning of information system. We should be able to state the components of information system. We should be able to state the classes of information system. And we should be able to state the various applications of these classes of information system. So we go to the very first objective that we hope to achieve, which is to explain the meaning of information system. Information system is a collection of interconnected components that work together to manage, process, and distribute information within an organization. Information systems are used to support business decision, operations, and competitive strategies. They can be designed to handle specific tasks such as managing payroll or inventory, or to support overall organizational objectives such as improving customer services or increasing efficiencies. Information system can also be used to gather data and provide analysis to support the decision-making process of the organization. And this can range from simple standalone applications to complex integrated systems that connect various parts of the organization. Don't forget, the goal of any information system is to provide timely and accurate information to support decision-making process and help the organization to achieve their objectives. We move further to the components of information system. What are the components of information system? There are various components of information system. Number one is the hardware. The hardware includes all physical devices that make up the information system. For example, like computers, servers, printers, scanners, and even storage devices. All these fall under the hardware component of the information system. We have another component of the information system, which is the software. The software includes all programs and applications that run on the hardware, such as the operating system, the database system, productivity system, and so on. So the next component is the data. The data includes all the information that is processed and stored by the system, such as customer records, financial data, and inventory data. All these comprises of the data. The next component of information system is the procedure. The procedure refers to the set of instructions and rules that governs the operations of the information system. Such procedures can include data entry procedures, backup procedures, security procedures, and so on. Then we have the last component of the information system, which is the human, the people. This includes all the individuals who use, operate, manage, and maintain the information system, such as the end users, system administrators, and even IT support staff. All these are the people component of the information system. It must be noted that all of these components must work together to ensure that the information system functions effectively and efficiently. They must be designed, implemented, and maintained carefully to ensure that the system meets the needs of the organization and its users. We shall now move to the classes of information system. We have various classes of information system. We shall give a rundown of these classes of information system and thereafter give an explanation and the application of these classes of information system. We have various classes of information system. We have the transaction processing system. We have the management information system. We have the decision support system. We have the executive support system. We have the expert system. We have the knowledge management system. And we have the enterprise resource planning system. All these systems are the classes of information system. So we shall go gradually to look at the different applications of these various classes of information system. We start with the very first one, which is the transaction processing system. What is the transaction processing system? The transaction processing system are computerized systems that manage and record the day-to-day transactions of an organization, such as sales, purchases, and payments. The transaction processing system are designed to handle high volumes of simple, routine transactions quickly and accurately. They are often used in industries such as banking, retail, and hospitality, where a large number of transactions occurs regularly. One of the key features of the transaction processing system is their ability to provide real-time information about the status of the transaction. This allows managers to monitor operations closely and make timely decisions to resolve problems or take advantage of opportunities. The transaction processing system helps to reduce errors, improve efficiency, and streamline business processes by automating routine tasks. We shall now look at the applications of the transaction processing system. The transaction processing system are applied in various ways. One of the ways in which it is applied is through the point of sale, which is the POS system. Another way the transaction processing system is usually applied is online transaction processing system, which is normally used in e-commerce to process online purchases and payment. Another way it can be utilized is the bank teller system, used in the banking halls to process deposit withdrawals and other banking transactions. Also, reservation systems used in travel and hospitality industries to process bookings for flight, hotels, and rental services also fall within the transaction processing system. We also have other applications such as the inventory management systems used in retail manufacturing and industries to track inventory levels and process orders for goods. Then another way in which the transaction processing system can still be utilized is through the order entry system used in manufacturing industries to process orders for raw materials, parts, and finished products. Then in the health sector, it can be used to process the electronic health records of patient data, including appointment, medical history, and so on. We shall move to the next application of the information system, which is the management information system. I already have a video on the management information system, so I would like you to check that video on management information system. Then you can also see the application of management information system. You can do well to watch that video and you get all the information on management information system, the characteristics and the application. We shall go to the next one, which is the decision support system. What is the decision support system? The decision support system are computerized systems that support decision-making activities within an organization. They are designed to help managers and other decision makers analyze data, evaluate options, and make informed decisions. The decision support system typically use advanced analytics, modeling, and visualization tools to present data in such a way that it is easy to understand and to use. What are the ways that it can be applied? Number one of such ways in which DSS can be applied is in financial services. The DSS, or the decision support system, can be used to analyze financial data, identify investment opportunities, and optimize portfolio management. Another way it can be utilized is through healthcare. The decision support system can be used to support medical diagnosis, treatment planning, and resource allocation. Then under marketing, the decision support system can be used to analyze computer data, evaluate marketing campaigns, and optimize pricing and promotion strategies. Then under supply chain management, the decision support system can be used to optimize inventory levels, manage logistics, and improve supply chain efficiency. Then under manufacturing, the DSS, or the decision support system, can be used to optimize production schedules, monitor quality metrics, and manage resource allocation. In agriculture, it can be used to analyze soil data, optimize integration, fertilizer use, and even predict crop yields. Then under emergency management, the decision support system can be used to support emergency response, such as natural disaster or terrorist attack. we move to the next application of the classes of information system, which is the executive support system. We shall begin by getting an insight into the executive support system. The executive support system, popularly referred to as ESS, are computerized system that supports senior level executives in making strategic decisions within an organization. The ESS are designed to provide high-level summaries of key performance indicators and other metrics, allowing executives to quickly and easily identify trends and patterns in organizations' operations. The executive support system typically use graphical and interactive displays to present information in such a way that it is easy to understand and also use. What are the ways that the executive support system are usually applied? Number one of such ways is to monitor the organization's performance. The ESS is used to monitor the organization's performance. It can be used to make strategic decisions. It is also used to identify opportunities for growth and improvement. Then the ESS is also used in conjunction with other systems and applications to determine and apply or take the necessary decision as it relates to a particular achievement of the objective of the organization. And usually they are utilized by senior level officers such as the CEOs and other high level officials to make strategic decisions that will align with the organization's goal and objective. We now move to the other classes of information system, which is the expert system. The expert system are computer programs that mimic the decision-making ability of a human expert in a specific domain. The expert system use knowledge and rules that are derived from experts in a particular field to provide advice, recommendations, and solutions to problems. The expert system are designed to solve complex problems and require expertise and experience, and can be used in a wide range of applications, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, engineering, and so on. So we shall look at the various ways. Number one, in medical diagnosis. The ES can be used to diagnose medical conditions, recommend treatment, and provide medical advice. Then under financial planning, the ES can be used to provide financial advice and investment recommendations based on a user's financial goal and risk tolerance. Then under quality control, the ES can be used to monitor manufacturing processes, detect defects, and recommend corrective actions. Then under engineering design, the ES can be used to design and optimize complex engineering systems such as airplanes and automobiles. We move to another class of the information system, which is the knowledge management system. Before we look at the application, let's get an insight into the knowledge management system, popularly referred to as the KMS. The knowledge management system are computerized systems that support the creation, storage, sharing, and dissemination of knowledge within an organization. The knowledge management system are designed to help organizations capture and leverage their knowledge assets, including explicit knowledge such as documents, procedures, and guidelines, and tacit knowledge such as expertise, experience, and intuitions. KMS can be used in a wide range of applications, including product development, customer services, strategic planning, and so on. So we shall now look at some of the ways it can be applied. As earlier said, it can be used in customer service. Under customer services, the KMS or the knowledge management system can be used to capture and share customers' feedback, best practices, and customer service procedures. Then under research and development, the KMS can be used to capture and share research findings, patents, and other intellectual property. Under training and development, the KMS can be used to provide training materials, onboarding procedures, and other learning resources. Then under process improvement, the KMS can be used to document and share best practices, procedures, and process improvement. The KMS are designed to improve organizational performance by capturing, sharing, and leveraging knowledge assets. So, by using KMS, organizations can improve efficiency, reduce error, and foster innovation. We move to the other class of information system, which is the enterprise resource planning system. The enterprise resource planning systems are software applications that integrate and automate various business processes and functions within an organization, such as finance and accounting, human resources, supply chain management, and customer relationship management. The enterprise resource planning system provides a centralized database that allows information to be shared across different departments, and they typically use a common interface and reporting tools to provide users with real-time information. We shall look at the various applications of the enterprise resource planning. The enterprise resource plan be applied in manufacturing. Under manufacturing, the enterprise resource planning system can be used to manage production processes. It can also be used for inventory control and even supply chain management. Then, under retail services, the enterprise resource planning system can be used to manage sales, inventory, and customer relationship management. Then, under healthcare, the enterprise resource planning system can be used to manage patient information, medical records, and even billing processes. Then in financial services, the enterprise resource planning system can be used to manage financial operations such as accounting, budgeting, and even financial reporting. I want to thank you for giving me your ears and watching this presentation. Please don't forget, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and go to the comment section. Send me comments how you feel about this video. If you have questions, don't forget my social media handles. Feel free to get in touch so that I can provide more explanations as regards this presentation on information system. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.